Okay, Internet. This is a Toshiba laptop model C55T-A5123. My son bought this in July, and screws fell out on the inside just from opening and closing it. Laptop's never been dropped. It's not damaged. It's in perfect condition. If you look right here, two of these mount points have broken off. You come over here, you'll see the same thing. Toshiba calls this abuse. This is not abuse. This is poor craftsmanship. This laptop is less than 6 months old. When I originally called about this, it was 5 months old. But you know what? Toshiba says this is abuse, and to fix it will cost $252 as a starting price. Then if they have to put any more parts to it, it's going to go up from there. Everyone I talk to there says this is not covered. Clearly, this broke from the inside, but yet it's not covered. This is a complete failure on Toshiba's part. I will not buy another Toshiba product, nor will I recommend another Toshiba product to anyone. This is garbage. I used to have a high opinion of Toshiba products. I worked on them for years. Loved their products. Recommended them to everyone. This will not do. This just will not do. Toshiba, you have lost a customer, and I will let everyone know about what you consider customer service and what you consider appropriate repairs.